the world's tallest waterfall inside the Changi Airport in Singapore. The HSBC Rain Vortex stands 40 meters tall. That's 13 stories. It flows with over 37,000 liters of water per minute, all of it recycled rainwater. It is surrounded by a lush indoor rainforest. Once it reaches the base, the water doesn't just splash into a pool. Instead, it's channeled below ground into a large basement-level reservoir. It's filtered, stored, and pumped up to the sea to begin its journey once again. Cheers.